Tips and tricks for a dreamy bathroom. Construction remodeling in Bay Area. A bathroom is one of the most important rooms in a home. It is the one place where you can escape to relax, unwind, and rejuvenate. We all want to have a dreamy bathroom that looks amazing and provides a comfortable and functional space. If you're thinking about bathroom remodeling in San Ramon, you've come to the right place. In this blog post, we'll share some tips, tricks, and ideas for your bathroom remodel. We understand that remodeling can be a daunting task, but with the right professionals, it can be as easy as ABC. Our San Ramon bathroom remodeling business has been in the industry for years, providing exceptional services to our clients. We've got you covered from design and planning to installation and finishing. Let's dive in and learn more about how to achieve your dream bathroom. Plan, plan, plan. Before you start a bathroom remodel project, you need to have a plan. Consider the size of your bathroom, the fixtures you need, and the design you want. Create a list of the items you need and prioritize the items that are most important to you. A good plan should also include your budget, the timeline for the project, and any contingencies. Our bathroom remodeling business in San Ramon offers expert design services, so you don't have to worry about making these plans on your own. Create a focal point. If you want to make a statement in your bathroom, create a focal point. It could be a feature wall, a piece of artwork, or a unique fixture. This will draw the eye and create interest in the space. You can also add texture or patterns to the wall, which can create a visual impact. However, you should always aim for balance in your design. If you have a colorful accent wall, go for a neutral flooring option. Use color wisely. Color can make or break a bathroom remodel. It is essential to choose colors that match your style and personality, while also being functional. If your bathroom is small, you might want to stick to light, bright colors to create the illusion of space. You can also add color pop elements such as towels, shower curtains, or rugs. A bathroom remodeling business can help you choose the right colors for your project. Light it up. Lighting can set the tone for your bathroom. It is critical to have good light for your morning routine, makeup, or grooming. You can add wall sconces, overhead lighting, or even chandeliers depending on your style. Task lighting is usually essential because it illuminates specific areas and makes it easier to do things like apply makeup or shave. Our San Ramon bathroom remodeling business has talented designers who could find the perfect lighting elements for you. Upgrade fixtures and accessories. Replacing outdated or worn fixtures like the sink, faucet, or mirror can make your bathroom look new and fresh. You can add some extra elements such as towel bars, robe hooks, or shelves to add functionality and style. You could also opt for features like underfloor heating, a rainfall shower head, or a steam shower for your ultimate comfort experience. It's essential to work with experts in bathroom remodeling if you want to achieve your dream bathroom. At our San Ramon bathroom remodeling business, we have all the expertise and experience you need. With our help, you can create a bathroom that is both functional and stylish. Whether it's a small remodel or an extensive overhaul, we are here to guide you through every detail of the process. So, what are you waiting for? Give us a call and let's transform your bathroom today. Thanks for watching.